Hi, thanks for your interest in Enterprise Mail Team Edition. Today what we're going to look at is how easy it is to share things like your calendars, contacts, and tasks inside Outlook using Team Edition. What we've done for this video is set up two accounts inside Outlook as if they were two separate users for Enterprise Mail Team Edition. You'll see here that we have two sets of Enterprise Mail Team folders, one here and one here. This will be demo 2 at enterprisemail.biz, and this account will be demo 1 at enterprisemail.biz. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go back to the demo 2 account and just take a look at the calendar. As you can see right now, there are no events saved inside the calendar. It's very easy to do inside Outlook. You just click to add an event to the day that you'd like to add to, and that will pop up an event window. So let's say we have a sales conference going on, and we're going to go ahead and add this to our calendar. Say it's in San Diego. It's an all-day event, and we'll say it's going on from the 25th until the 27th. Hit save and close. So you can see in Outlook it creates a 3-day event inside your calendar, and the way that you would share this with another user is by simply clicking on the folder icon which installs with the Enterprise Mail Outlook plugin, and this will pop up a new window where you can add permissions for other users to view your calendar. So you just click add. We'll type in the email address of the user we want to share with, which is going to be demo 1. Hit OK. You can see here by default it gives them guest permissions. There's a couple different sets of permissions that you can set inside Outlook. Guest, user, power user, or administrator. A guest would be able to view the calendar but not actually make any changes or additions to the calendar. A power user or administrator would be able to actually edit the items in the calendar and add new things to the calendar. And we'll take a look at doing that here in just a sec. So now let's say we want to view this shared calendar from the demo 1 account. So we'll go ahead and go down to the team folders here for demo 1, and you'll notice that you'll see a lot of the default Outlook folders in here: calendar, junk mail, sent items, things like that. But what we want to do is we want to actually see the shared folders from another user. So since we just added those permissions, what we'll have to do is click on refresh folders, and that will pop open this shared folder up above your inbox. You simply drop down the shared folder. You'll see the email address of the person who's sharing with you. You can just drop down that again, and you can see now the sales conference that was put in over the 3-day period. So for instance, if we wanted to add something to this calendar, perhaps a pre-sales conference meeting, we would just double click on the day before. Since we don't have permissions as of yet to add things, we only had guest permissions, the other user has to set permissions for us to be able to add something. So we'll just click right back over to their account, click on the calendar, hit the folder button, find our email address that we want to add from, just give them power user rights, click OK, and now what they'll be able to do is actually add an event to that calendar, to that shared calendar, for the user. Now you can see, just like before, it pops up an event window. We'll say pre-conference meeting in the office from 8 to 10 a.m. Now you can see from the demo 1 account we added an event to demo 2's calendar for them. If we went ahead and went back to their calendar, you'll see now that that event actually showed up on their calendar. Pretty simple. You can do this with anything. You can do it with tasks. You can do it with email folders. Any one of these folders inside Outlook you can share with each user within your with your domain, as long as they're on Enterprise Mail Team Edition. The nice thing about this is it also shows up in Webmail 3, which is the Enterprise Mail Webmail. We'll just go ahead and hit refresh here, and you'll see that there's these shared folders icon here, or button I should say. You can just click the drop down menu and it'll show all the users that are sharing folders with you. Go ahead and click on calendar here, and you can see we have our 3-day event for the sales conference and our pre-sales conference meeting the day before. If you'd like more information, please feel free to give us a call, or you can go to www.embusinessemail.com. Once you get to our website, you'll see a link for Enterprise Mail Team Edition. You can just click the Read More button and find out more about Team Edition there. Otherwise, just reply back to the email that you received linking to this video. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.